That is the scene down in Brunswick, Georgia, as jury selection is continuing in the trial for the three men accused of murdering Ahmaud Arbery. Folks there looking for justice, and that's outside the courthouse. But inside the courthouse is the jury selection process. Court TV legal correspondent Julie Janae joining us live tonight from Brunswick with all the latest. So what is the latest in jury selection today?
The latest, Vinny, is that we have more jurors who have been qualified to move to the next round. We are averaging now about 5 jurors a day. Today, 7 potential jurors were qualified, and we know yesterday there were 8 that were qualified. We didn't have any on day 1 of jury selection, so a total now qualified of 15. And what we are looking to get as far as the court is 64 qualified jurors. And I want to kind of take our viewers through exactly why we need 64. We've been throwing that number around, but the way we get here is because the judge wants to make sure that if all of the parties use their strikes, there is still a full panel left. So let's take a look at the number 64. First, prosecution will get 12 strikes. Then each of the defendants will get 8 strikes. So that means the attorneys for the McMichaels, Travis McMichael gets 8, Greg McMichael gets 8, and William Roddy Bryan gets 8. So that's a total of 24. And then each of the parties gets strikes for alternates. So that's another 12 that they will get towards the end of this process. So even if all of these defendants and the prosecutors pick different people to use their peremptory strikes on, there will still be that real magic number when it comes to this trial, which is that final panel of 12 jurors and 4 alternates. So 16 there at the end who will be left, who will serve on this jury panel.
Julia, coming into the segment, we saw a bit of what is happening outside of the courthouse. Paint the picture for us. Tell us what the scene is like down in Brunswick.
It's a dedicated group who's here every morning to make sure that when these courthouse doors open and the cameras are here, that they are outside making their presence known. We know the Transformative Justice Coalition has really been one of the spearheading people of the groups here, but we hear that chanting that has been going on. We've seen the number of people. It's been dwindling a bit as the days have gone on, but there are a lot of chairs right across from the front of the courthouse. And we have a look there of the father of Ahmaud Arbery walking in, Marcus Arbery, and you see just the warmth that people give him when he is going into the courthouse, that they are patting him on the back, they're shaking his hands. You see there a large group of people who are here from all over the country, and he's there walking in with one of the members of the Transformative Justice Coalition while he's sitting through this jury selection process.
All right, jury selection continuing. Julie Janae in the middle of it all. Julia, thanks so much.
Thanks, Benny.